Hello friends. So in today's session, we'll be understanding how to calculate cost of debentures which are issued at a discounted rate. Okay? Do not worry, we'll be solving many questions based on calculating cost of debentures which are issued at a premium or are redeemable at a premium or discount. But as far as this video is concerned, we'll be understanding the concept, we will also be understanding the formula and solving one very important question which was asked in CA IPCC exams. Okay, so do not worry, just stay focused and attentive till the end. Okay, so let's build the logic over it now. So the very first logic says that if if the debentures are redeemable after the expiry of a fixed period, मतलब अगर एग्जाम में आपको क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ है कि डिबेंचर्स आर हैविंग अ फिक्स्ड मैच्योरिटी पीरियड ऑफ 5 years. If we have such type of cases in the exam, then how do we calculate cost of debentures? We will use the following formula, okay, where KD is nothing but the cost of debt. Now I understand that this formula looks very difficult for remembering, so do not worry, trust me, this is a very simple formula if you understand the concepts of it. Okay, so what I will do is we will bifurcate the components of this formula and understand it one by. So the very first component that we need to understand is the meaning of RV, which is nothing but the redemption value. Okay, this is something normal, we have solved such type of sums, right? I is nothing but the interest rate, T is nothing but the tax rate. We need to understand how to find out the redemption value. Okay, fine. So let's move ahead and understand how to do it. What we will do is, in order to find the redemption value, we will just add this face value either by premium or subtract this face value by discount. Okay, I used the word or. This is the turning point of the question. Okay, or word is the turning point of the question. And when I say this, the reason is, suppose in the question it is given that the debentures are issued at a rate which is higher than the face value, matlab they are issued at a premium. So whenever you are having such cases, then what we will do is we will simply add this premium with the face value. Okay, and if the question says that the debentures are issued at a price which is less than face value, matlab discount में issue किया हुआ है, then what you will do is from this face value you will subtract the discount. Okay, and this discount rate will be given in the question. Fine, also the premium rate will be given in the question. So that's how we find the redemption value for a debenture. Okay, now similarly let's understand how to calculate this NP. NP means the net proceeds of the debenture, and the method for finding net proceeds is same, almost same, which is nothing but face value plus premium minus discount plus the flotation costs. Okay, so there is just one addition. Since we are finding the net proceeds of a debenture, the only effect that we need to give is flotation costs. The other theory remains the same. FV is nothing but the face value. If the question says that debentures are issued at a premium rate, okay, at a price above the face value, then we will add this premium with the face value. Or if the question says that the debentures are issued at a price lesser than the face value, then we will discount this with the help of a discounting rate from the face value. Okay, so FV plus premium or FV minus discount plus the flotation costs. Okay, so that's how we understand how to find RV, how to find NP, and after that what we have to do is simply substitution, which is nothing but a piece of a cake to solve sum. Okay, finally the value of N is called as the maturity period or the life of debentures.